Good morning to the Excellences, Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, my senior and my friends. I would like to speak on the farewell party of my class. Today is the farewell party of our seniors of class 10th standard. We enjoyed together very much in the playground, library and lab rooms of the prestigious school for many years. We come from different background, however, look same in the school as we wear same uniform. We have different feelings and attitude. However, we develop good traits in the school together with our seniors. Whenever we punish regarding our homework or other classworks, we always get help from our seniors. They always ready to help us in any condition. They helped us a lot during our football match competition and quiz competition. Whenever I think the past memories with my seniors, I get overwhelmed and think that I also been senior of my junior and me to have to owe the same responsibilities to become a good senior. Many respected seniors, today you are taking off from the school life and going to enter the college life to widen your career for the bright future. There is no any doubt in your success. I wish you all the best. It is difficult for us to say goodbye to you. I request you all that please never forget us. We always need you and your assistance in the future. I have some inspiring lines for you. खूबियाँ इतनी तो नहीं कि हम तुम्हें याद आएंगे, खूबियाँ इतनी तो नहीं कि हम तुम्हें याद आएंगे, पर इतना तो एतबार है हमें खुद पर, आप कभी हमें भूल नहीं पाएंगे. Thanks for listening.